Hi there, good morning. I'm just jumping on before I get this kit cut up. Sorry about the shadows, it's dark. Yeah, before I get this cut up and show you. So let me put my glasses on. Talk about not being ready. So this is a free kit. And it's available on my Buy Me a Coffee. It's we're doing a bit of a craft along Facebook challenge, so and it's around this kit. It's called the Winter Botanical Junk Journal Kit, and it's from Nanine at Collage Type. I don't know why I say college. And it's a four sheet one that she's done. There's also a full size kit available on Nanine's Etsy shop, which I will put all the links down below. So we've got a couple of tags, some labels, some stamps and some strips. I've got 4 lovely pockets, and then we've got 2 backing sheets. So I've got this one and this beautiful Harlequin one. So that's that one. You might have seen Denise from Denise Junk Journals UK has already done a fabulous project. I can't believe that she did such a big project with, you know, a small amount of things. So I'm going to reprint this off again. I think I'm going to do them 2 to a page, these, and I think I'm also going to probably print them off on paper as well, because I'm thinking I could probably, you know, rip round the actual images, which will give me more to play with. And I've printed these out on paper, so I'm thinking I'll also print these out on card and probably do those 2 to a page as well, just to give me some variation. So that's those. And then there's also a 3-page kit which is available on my Patreon, which again, it's, you know, part of the kit. These are exclusive like add-ons. So we've got a lovely big coin envelope here, and we've got 3 journal cards there, and we've got another backing paper. So again, I've done that one on cards, so I'll probably do that on paper and then probably do those 2 to a page as well. And then, like I say, it'll give me a bit more variation. I've just gathered some things, what I'm, you know, I'm not saying I'm going to use them all, but yeah, what I've got out. So I've got a couple of CD envelopes which have already been tea stained. I've got a couple of small damask bags and a couple of medium ones. I've got the medium ones in the shop. I've not got the small ones in yet. They've only actually just arrived this morning, so I will be putting those in too. I've got some of these lovely textured envelopes, real foresty green, there in the shop. So are all these envelopes. So I've got some different size ones. They're just a bit of a different colour. I've got those ones and some vellum ones, and I've tea stained some library pockets. Again, they're in the shop. They're not tea stained though, they're just plain. So that's what I've kind of got out. So I'm going to be making some ephemera. So for now, that's it. I will go away, print some more out, get it all cut up, and then I will be back and we'll get some things made. Because I've not been making for a while, I'm actually out of ideas. It's so funny, because when I was, you know, filming all the time and crafting all the time, I had a million ideas. I had too many ideas and not enough time. And because I've not been crafting, I just can't think. So why I've been off, I've watched, you know, quite a few videos. I've not watched as many as you'd probably would imagine, because I was too poorly for the first couple of weeks, but the last week I watched a few videos, so I'm going to be kind of doing some inspired by, and I'll let you know whose video it is. And I think the first one is inspired by Joanne at, oh, I didn't mean to get through at Junk Journal Treasures. So that's using the CD envelopes. So I've saved all the videos so I didn't forget, and then I can just go through my list, and hopefully that'll kind of ease me back in, because I've not got to think of a project. I'm only making bits of ephemera. I've not got, you know, too much kit to be, oof, what am I doing with it? So yeah, ease myself back in. So I'm keen to make a start. I have actually put all my Christmas things away, because when I was off, I did think, you know, the window for doing Christmas, especially if you're putting them in the shop, is very small. So I did decide I wasn't doing any winter and Christmas kits, but yeah, I will do this from the name, because obviously, you know, she's designed it for us, so I shall be just doing a few projects with this. I don't know if at the end of it I will make a little journal up or what, or I might just save the pieces for next year. We'll see. So I'm going. I need to actually just have a look around to see if I think I'm just gonna, you know, stick with the green. So yeah, I need to look if I've got some, you know, bits of green material and stuff like that, because I've literally got nothing to embellish or anything. So it is going to be, you know, just using the kit. I have ordered some red ink, which I think will be here in a day or two. So I was going to do, you know, some stenciling and stamping. So yeah, just keep it simple. And like I say, hopefully it'll ease me back in. So all the links where to get the kits will be in the description. Like I say, Denise has done her project. I will link Denise's videos, and I think next after me, I think Tiffany is doing hers. I'm not sure if she'll be doing hers on YouTube or if she'll be just, you know, posting pictures on the Facebook group. So if you're not in the Facebook group, why not? I will leave it in the description box. Right, I'm going. Need to print what I think about it. See you later.